How you doing? Dave Baradinelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to take you aboard the 2021 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This particular boat, as you'll see, has twin inboard outboards. This boat is optional with triple outboards if you'd like. You do have a submersible swim platform. You can see that I'm standing on. This will go down into the water. Great for seating, entertaining. In the back here, you do have a great area for storage. And that goes all the way forward, so you can put wakeboards, water skis, paddle boards in there. Coming around on the starboard side, you'll see we have the side door platform deployed. And this is really great. You can see it really opens up the side of the boat for jumping off, entertaining purposes. Nice big sunbed back here. Very easily you can open this, and now you have a really nice bigger sunbed. Moving into the cockpit area, you'll see this area is enormous. This is a 15 to 20 person boat. You got a beautiful solid teak table holding. On the starboard side, you'll notice we've got our prep stations, we've got dual grills, we've got dual refrigerators here, and we've got our garbage can here with our freshwater sink above. Really nicely appointed. Storage under all the seats, of course. Right now you can see our port side seat is in the aft position, and this will go one more for entertaining, and of course this swivels all the way around to face forward. Here at the helm, you've got two beautiful independent helm seats, both with bolsters. Really nicely finished helm, dual Simrad electronics. Everything in here you'll see is tied into your lighting, your controls, your engine management. So really nicely finished and really user friendly. Joystick control, of course, digital throttle and shift. The beauty about this 400 SLX is the day boat, but you also have a full cabin. We'll take you down there now. Forward, you do have a V-berth here. Of course, the table's deployed. This does go low, and this makes a big berth forward for 2 adults. Flat screen TV with Bose soundbar. Of course, there's AC and heat in this boat, as well as a generator. You'll notice down here there is a third fridge, as well as a microwave. And then in the aft there, you'll see that there's a huge berth back there, very comfortable for 2 adults. And on the left side, there is a flat screen TV back there as well. Going into the head on the starboard side, vacuum flush head, hot and cold shower. And now we'll take you up into the bow area. Again, great walkthrough, very wide, very safe coming through. And up here, you've got a whole nother party. Seating for 3 here, all with separate armrest. Nicely appointed folding table. It is removable. And then, of course, bow seating with storage underneath. And, of course, up here, you do have your anchor windlass, which is all concealed. Again, this is the 2021 Sea Ray 400 SLX here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please call me 401-569-3874. Thanks again.